guys, this is my first time uploading. I hope you like Dandy's World a lot. It's okay. I thought this game was boring. Early game, but late game, it's pretty actually cool to play the game. Let's use Gordy. And these trinkets are cool. I will cut this out. Bye. Here is my team. Oh, good I guess. There's 2 pebbles, a lot of distractors, and I'm one Gordy. Never mind. You have 3. Oh, you have 4 distractors. I think. Cole, ready up, bruh. Sorry for waiting. And the run has begun. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Go! I have 100 only stamina. This is a race. Oh. Who got hit? I think it's on purpose. One of the Louis. Oh no. Hey, that's my machine. Hey. No, Shelly. Don't steal. Hey, you pressed. Thank you a lot. Thank you so much. Hey, stop griefing me. I think that's not griefing. I spot nonsense. Here, some help. I hope you got speed. Extraction speed. No. Pebbles, what a good dog. Are you okay? Oh, you're extracting. That's cool. I respect. Yata, where are you? Don't risk it. We have 100 stamina. No. Oh, shoot. This channel is child friendly. I will never swear in this channel. What should I buy? Nothing. They are all trash. Find me. I'm Cole or I'm Gordy. Find me. Hehehe. Thank you. Let's go back. Okay. Shelly. Let's go. Do machines. Oh, Pop, I need that for my little low stamina. I should say run out of stamina before they lead the twisted to me by accident. 4 minutes in this video. Floor 2. That's kind of cool. Speed run. I should help the pebbles. There. What did he get? Ooh, I hit him. That's a medkit. No. Need healing though. Let's go. Almost run out of stamina. Can you hear me? by that sentence? I fear not. Guys. Ah, Louie! Where's Louie? Oh. I love this team. I hope floor 20 I reach before I go to sleep. By the way, I'm 10. Oh no, I'm 11 years old. Yay! Boom. Air horn. That's pointless to me. Oh no. A pup. Do not take my pup. Come back! Shata! Tama na. There. I give him speed. Yay! I did it. I give him speed. Don't worry, I'm fine. I'm fine, I guess. I have 3 hearts, included the band-aid. I need 2 hits only. Can I extract? Joke lang. I will come back. Hihihihi. Did I miss that? Did I miss that? What the heck? What is the candy there? What? Can I reach it? Oh no. Low on stamina. Ew. Sorry for that. The camera. I didn't notice, honestly. Sorry. Ignore the background noises. Please. And don't track me. My goal is for just 500k likes. And this small channel to be a big one. I might upload this. If I upload this and I am speechless. I cannot even speak. Sorry about that. Box of chocolate. Box of chocolate. Box of chocolate. Bye. No distractions. If I post this, oh my. Hey, I said no distractions. If I post this, I hope I have 200 likes or 2k likes. That's okay for me. Hey, stop looking at me. By the way, if you cannot hear me because I have no mic, I'm poor. Just joking. I'm decent money. Money. That's a Mr. Crab reference. Wait, I'm that old? I'm just 11 years old. Wait. Hey, Louie! Oh no, you have 1 heart. There's no even abilities. Shelly, me, and... Oh, there's a lot. Honestly, sorry. It's okay. Everyone made mistakes on their life. If you are perfect, congratulations. Oh no. I can see. Oh, where? of you do this machine. Just ignore the background noises. I don't know what is that. That's not definitely my house. Decorative. That's my kapatid. Oh, you saved me, or it was my hitbox. No, you speak. Oh, who died? This cat rush thirsty. Why I'm bald? Where's my lines? Outlines. What the heck? Nagdadalo na ako? Delusional na ako? I swear. You have lines. Why I'm bald? I think I'm delusional. I'm faster. I'm fast and I'm strong. Please do not track me down. I beg. Where? Sorry. Mama. Luckily, it's not Louis. Extraction speed. Speed, no! That's a gamble. I'm not a gambler. I'm just a kid. Be careful. Oh no. One distractor down. No. No. One distractor only. No. Or one distractor. No, oh no, it's not a distractor. It's a extractor. I forgot. All extractors. Please don't track me down. If I'm popular, please don't. I think that will never happen. What if it happens? And I will thank you guys. I might. Oh, I think I'm done. No, oh no. What is that? I will investigate. Wait, I investigate first. Wait, I will cut this minute, I guess. By the way, I'm in Filipino. I will cut this. It's just nothing. It's just my kapatid. I think I need to go to sleep and I'm sorry. Bye guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bombastic side die. Oh my gosh. Bye. Bye guys. See you tomorrow, I guess. I'm school duty, I guess. Bye. See you tomorrow. Good luck, and if you are a student, I hope you pass grade whatever you have. Grade 1, grade 2, whatever. Study. Not that too much. Every Roblox game teaches you. Not those sus games and Curse David. I can say it. I'm bulol. You know bulol? The word stutters. And bye. This is my This is my profile picture. Just joking. Bye. See you again.